Hi everybody. Right now we're going to look at adjectives, specifically using adjectives as nouns and the adjective order before a noun. Okay. First of all, let's look at using adjectives as nouns. Okay, we can use the plus some adjectives to talk about groups of people, such as nationalities that end in ch, sh, ese, and ss. For example, the French, the Spanish, the British, the Japanese, the Irish, and the Swiss, okay? But not the Czechs, even though Czechs end with ch, Czech ends with ch, we call them the Czechs. Other nationality words are, when we use them as nouns, we put the s at the end, okay, for the plural. Okay, there's a person who is Brazilian is a Brazilian, okay, but we talk about the Brazilians and we make it into a plural noun, or the Poles, the Turks, the Hungarians, the Argentinians, etc. We can also use the plus some adjectives to talk about specific groups of people. The adjective young, if we put the in front of it, we're talking about young people in general. Okay, the young or the old. Okay, a more formal term would be the elderly. Okay, people who are ill are known sometimes as the sick. Blind people are sometimes known as the blind. We have the deaf, the homeless, the dead, etc. When we want to talk about one person, okay, we say, for example, a Japanese woman, a rich man. Okay, we don't say a Japanese or a rich. Okay, we have to put woman or man or person at the end of that. You can also use the adjective plus people to talk about a group of people. So poor people are also known as the poor. The homeless are known as homeless people. There's old people, French people, etc. Here are some examples. Okay, the English are famous for drinking tea. The Chinese invented paper, and the Dutch make wonderful cheeses. The poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. The government needs to create more jobs for the unemployed. Okay, now let's talk about adjective order. Okay, what happens when we have more than one adjective in front of a noun? Okay, we have certain rules about the order of those adjectives. Okay, we cannot say, for example, an old lovely cottage. We have to say a lovely old cottage. That's because lovely is an opinion, and opinions always come first. Okay, we have opinions such as beautiful, nice, lovely, and they always go before the descriptive adjectives such as big, old, and round. Here is the general rule about the order of adjectives. Opinion, size, age, shape, color, pattern, origin, place, material, and then we have the noun. So we might want to talk about a chair, okay, but we're going to call it an expensive little brand new long purple striped French silk chair. Okay, we seldom use that many adjectives in front of a noun, but that's an example. Here are some more common examples. We've got a spacious new house near Winter Park. She has long dark hair. I bought a beautiful Italian leather belt. Now, this is something that you can memorize, of course, but the way that you really learn it is just by practicing, okay? But one of the main rules that you should remember is that the opinion comes first. Okay, that's all. Remember to practice, 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 and you will soon master the use of adjectives. Thank you very much.